Dikaputa, why did you not come yesterday?
Teacher mage
Speak in English.
my mother in bed sleep.
Ah, your grandmother is sick.
Yes, you correct.
Sit. Chatu, how about your homework?
මේ ඊයේ teacher
Speak in English.
last day I did coconut sambola and paripu to make lunch. After that I hit my cloth to gale.
Silence. I asked you about homework. I gave yesterday about yourself.
එපා බං.
Ah, yes.
Ah, good. Sit down.
එපා කිව්වනේ බං. Teacher, just is kitchen me.
What nonsense are you talking?
Touching kitchen.
Silence. Justa. Kale, stand up. Did you do your homework?
Yes, teacher.
Read loudly.
Myself. My name is Kale. I am 17 years old. My hobby is collecting stamps. My favorite subject is English. My best friend is Buddhika Ramananda.
මෝ කොහොමද මෙච්චර මීටරයක් උනේ?
Good. Very good. Sit down.
ඔබ කොහොමද බං ඔච්චර මීටරයක් උනේ?
වැඩ වුණාම එහෙම තමයි.
මොන වැඩෙද්ද බං මූ බලපංකෝ බං සිංහල